I am working on the single cab. Getting it, basically turning it into a show truck versus a race truck. Racing just got too expensive for me. Planning to lift it. Probably just a 6-inch lift. I got a wrap coming for it. Got stuff in powder coat right now. Got a couple more parts I have to send my guy that's doing those. And then I have an idea to do back here. And I got an idea to do inside the cab, but we'll kind of see if that works out. Basically right now I'm just wire wheeling the whole frame, getting it ready to paint. Might basically have the whole front suspension out. I gotta take the front axle out. Might powder coat the leaf springs, not sure yet. I got a new rear diff cover coming, gotta get that to powder coat. Probably get the lift sent to powder coat. And got my headlights taken apart. Gotta paint those to match, or get as close as I can to match the wrap. Get the bumper, all that. Got all the piping under the hood out. That's all at powder coat right now too. That's about it now. No more performance upgrades for now, at least. Kind of happy with where it is with horsepower and everything, so. But maybe, not sure yet. I don't know what wheels to run on this. I got my 22x14 forged wheels that I run on my LBZ in the summer that I could possibly put on, but kind of looking for something different. Not sure, those are on 33, 14.5 Furies. Kind of want to go to a 24x14 or a 26x14. Not quite sure. But yeah, that is where the single cab is at. Did some rust repair on the bed. Front fenders are good on the outside right now, so basically everything else is getting repainted or powder coated. And I gotta figure out rock lights, wheel lights, try and find a brand for that to go with. Yeah, that's all I got. guys a little update. Got the front diff out now. Everything's off for the front suspension besides lower control arms. Got the mirrors off, door handles off. Getting ready to wrap. Door handles will go to paint. Probably just wrap the mirror caps. We'll get new shocks. Hopefully with lift. Yeah. That is not easy to get out by yourself. It's a little awkward to get it lowered. There's only 4 mounting bolts total. But you gotta drop out that whole front cross member, take out the whole center link and tie rod ends, and then disconnect the harness to the actuator for the 4-wheel drive, and disconnect the breather tube and front drive shaft. So, helps if someone is there to help. Wouldn't recommend to do it alone unless you have a tranny jack, then that'll work. But yep, she's all out. Frame will get painted later this week. That is about it for this one.